I was procrastinating like crazy, making my YouTube channel, getting my YouTube videos up, getting my content done. And I was definitely overthinking it because I wanted it to be high production value. It had to be perfect. It had to look good. And all that was doing was giving me paralysis analysis. And I wasn't getting things done. So when I saw Jordan's offer come through, this sounds too good to be true, right? So I'm getting all of these prompts. I'm getting 5 days, basically prompts, and they're simple. They're going to take less than an hour. And I'm going to get community. I'm going to get accountability. If worst case that can happen is that I'd make some videos and post them. That's better than what I'm doing now. So I literally was like, all right, let's give it a shot. And it's only mobile phone. I was really overthinking it with all kinds of DSLR cameras, and I wanted to have these mics and everything had to be super high production value. All of that was keeping me stuck. And so when I saw this come through, I was like, this might be a way to at least get me moving, get me producing, get content up onto my YouTube channel. And so I took the plunge. And honestly, it was easier than he made it seem. He already made it seem like it was going to be easy. It was going to be straightforward. It was going to be simple. My experience was it was even easier than that. I was telling them this shouldn't even be a 5 day challenge. This should be a 5 hour challenge because I just batched out all the videos because he made it so simple. You're able to literally just start with day one, which builds into day two, which builds into day three, put all those videos together into the day five video, and bang, you have a super polished day five video. I now have that up on my channel. And the best part about all this is I didn't just get these videos to put up on my channel. I now have a process that I'm going to be able to use to get more videos up on my channel. And that's the key to this thing, right? Is for all of us that are studying marketing and learning about this content stuff, the more you produce, the more visibility you'll get, and it builds over time. So what was more valuable than just getting 5 videos that I can post was actually getting a process to help me make more videos more easily that I can get up there onto the web and start getting more visibility. So thank you to Jordan. And I appreciated all the advice that he gave me as well. Super insightful, super valuable. And I highly recommend this course to anyone who's thinking about doing it or is on the fence. And I definitely will be signing up for his other programs as well. Very valuable.